In a world filled with high-tech mirrorless and DSLR cameras, there's something undeniably special about a compact, pocket-sized powerhouse like the Ricoh GR IIIx HDF. Compact in size but massive in performance, the GR IIIx HDF is designed for the street photographer, the traveler, and the minimalist who demands nothing less than excellence. But is it really the ultimate street photographer's dream? Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice about the Ricoh GR IIIx HDF is its design. Its compact body is built to be discreet and ultra-portable, fitting perfectly in your hand and even in your pocket. Weighing just 262 grams, it's incredibly light, but don't let that fool you. It's tough, with a magnesium alloy body that can withstand the bumps and bruises of everyday street photography. But the magic of the Ricoh GR IIIx HDF lies in its lens. Equipped with a 40mm f2.8 lens, this camera strikes the perfect balance between wide-angle and portrait capabilities, offering just the right amount of reach for both expansive street scenes and intimate portraits. It's ideal for capturing the mood and essence of any moment without feeling too distant or too close. Underneath that beautiful lens is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, packing professional-grade image quality in such a small package. Whether you're shooting in daylight or navigating the shadows at night, the GR IIIx HDF excels. With its powerful sensor and built-in image stabilization, low-light conditions become less of a challenge, letting you focus on capturing the moment rather than worrying about blurry shots or noise. When it comes to street photography, speed is everything. You don't have time to fiddle with settings or focus adjustments. That's where the Ricoh GR IIIx HDF really shines. With its hybrid autofocus system and famous snap focus mode, you can capture spontaneous moments in the blink of an eye. Whether you're grabbing a quick shot in a busy crowd or freezing the action in the middle of a bustling scene, this camera is always ready. The GR IIIx HDF also excels in connectivity. With built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can instantly transfer your shots to your smartphone or tablet, ready for editing and sharing on the go. And when it comes to customizing your shooting experience, this camera offers a wide range of options, from customizable buttons to shooting modes, giving you total control over your creative process. Although the Ricoh GR IIIx HDF is primarily known for its stellar photography, it also offers impressive video capabilities. With full HD 1080p recording, you can capture stunning video clips on the go. The video quality is crisp and detailed, making it a great option for vloggers or those looking to add a cinematic touch to their street photography adventures. Whether you're a seasoned street photographer or someone just looking to up your photography game, the Ricoh GR IIIx HDF is a camera that delivers. Compact, powerful, and versatile, it offers everything you need to capture life's moments in stunning detail. So, is it the ultimate street photographer's dream? We think it just might be. Ready to experience the world through a new lens? Get your hands on the Ricoh GR IIIx HDF today and start capturing the world your way.